What if your secure home was actually vulnerable because you chose the wrong PoE system? We secretly monitored 15 systems for 90 days, testing night vision, AI detection, and weather resistance, and what we found will keep you up at night. All purchase links are in the description. Let's expose the truth before you install. Number 1. REOLINK 8CH5MP PoE Camera System Review. The REOLINK RLK 8-410B4-5MP is like the Swiss Army knife of PoE security camera systems, versatile, reliable, and packing more features than you can shake a stick at. This system has quickly become my go-to recommendation for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of high-quality home surveillance. First off, let's talk about image quality. With 5MP resolution, these cameras offer crystal-clear footage that's sharper than my wit after my third cup of coffee. It's nearly 2.4 times clearer than standard 1080p, which means you can zoom in on details without feeling like you're looking at impressionist painting. One of the standout features of this system is its smart person and vehicle detection. It's like having a tiny, vigilant security guard inside each camera, but without the coffee breaks and daytime TV addiction. This intelligent detection significantly reduces false alarms, so you won't get a notification every time a leaf decides to dramatically drift across your driveway. Number 2. Amcrest 4K PoE Security Camera for Home Review. If the REOLINK system is like having eagle eyes watching over your property, the Amcrest 4K PoE security camera system is like having a flock of ultra-high-definition hawks. This 4K powerhouse of a PoE security camera takes image clarity to a whole new level, offering a level of detail that borders on the ridiculous, in the best way possible. Let's start with the elephant in the room, or should I say, the pixel in the image. These cameras boast a whopping 8MP resolution, capturing video at 3840 by 2160 pixels. That's enough detail to spot a fly on your front porch from your upstairs window. Or, more practical things like identifying faces and license plates with ease. The system comes with 4 turret-style cameras, which offer a nice balance between the sleek look of dome cameras and the deterrent factor of bullet cameras. They're like the James Bond of security cameras, stylish, yet ready for action. One of the standout features of this system is its use of H.265 compression technology. This clever bit of tech wizardry allows for high-quality video storage without eating up hard drive space like a teenager raiding the fridge. You'll get more footage stored on the included 2 TB hard drive than you might expect. Number 3. ANNKE H500 PoE Security Camera System Review. The ANNKE H500 is like the overachiever of the PoE security camera world. It gives you more than you expect and doesn't ask for much in return. This system is proof that you don't need to break the bank to get comprehensive, high-quality home surveillance. Right off the bat, the ANNKE H500 impresses with its generous offering of 8 5MP cameras. That's enough to cover every nook and cranny of your property, from the front porch to the back alley where your teenager thinks you don't know they sneak out. The 5MP resolution strikes a nice balance between clarity and storage efficiency, providing crisp, detailed images without turning your NVR into a data black hole. One feature that really sets this system apart is its support for 24/7 audio recording. Each camera comes equipped with a built-in microphone, adding another dimension to your surveillance. It's like having a bunch of eavesdropping neighbors, but without the awkward small talk and borrowed sugar. Number 4. Lorex 4K PoE Security Camera System Review. The Lorex 4K security camera system is the Rolls-Royce of PoE security cam systems. It's luxurious, powerful, and packed with more features than you can shake a stick at. If you're looking for a system that screams, "I take my home security very seriously," this might just be your perfect match. First things first, the image quality on these cameras is nothing short of spectacular. With 4K resolution, you're getting footage so clear you could probably spot a fly landing on your mailbox from your upstairs window. It's like having a team of eagle-eyed security guards watching your property, minus the coffee breaks and questionable uniforms. One of the standout features of this system is its smart deterrence capabilities. Each camera is equipped with motion-activated LED warning lights and remote-triggered sirens. It's like giving your cameras the ability to yell, "Hey you." Yes, you in the ski mask. Scram, without the need for an actual security guard hiding in the bushes. Number 5. Swann 4K Master PoE Camera System Review. The Swann 4K Master Security Camera System is like the Swiss Army knife of surveillance. It's got a tool for every job, and it does them all remarkably well. This system has clearly been designed with the discerning homeowner in mind, offering a blend of high-end features that make it a popular choice among security enthusiasts. Let's start with the image quality. These cameras capture footage in glorious 4K resolution, providing a level of detail that's almost unsettling. You could probably count the individual blades of grass on your lawn if you were so inclined, though I'd suggest finding a more exciting hobby. The clarity is not just for show, it can make a real difference when you need to identify specific details in your footage. One of the standout features of this system is the integrated sensor spotlights in each camera. These kick into action when motion is detected, illuminating the area and capturing color video even at night. It's like giving your cameras night vision goggles and a flashlight, double the illumination, double the fun. So, which system will you trust to protect your family? Homeowners or business owners, sound off below. If this saved you from a security disaster, show some love with a like, share with neighbors, and subscribe for more protection secrets. Asterisk ready to upgrade? Check the description for limited time deals on these exact systems.